my channel. Today we're at a really cool waterfall in the hinterlands of the Gold Coast. It's called Curtis Falls and it's at Mount Tamborine, and I can just hear the waterfalls right behind me here, so we're gonna go check them out. I wish you guys could like smell this place. You know when there's just been fresh rain and everything's so green and lush and there's the little, you know, water droplets on the leaves and everything just smells so amazing. Oh, I wish you guys could just smell this place, you know? So pretty, so peaceful, nice and relaxing. Definitely worth the hype. So now that we've seen Curtis Falls, on our way home from Mount Tamborine, we're actually going to stop off at a few places. The first place I'm really excited for is called the Skywalk, and it's a tourist attraction that you can do here in Mount Tamborine. So on our way. I wanted your opinion on something. Would you like me to do a full kind of get to know me video on my channel? Or would you want me to throw in little fun facts and little tidbits about me throughout my travel videos for you to get to know me a little bit more? What would you guys like to do? Let me know in the comments. So here we are at the Skywalk. It's really cool. It's only about $20 to enter, and it's about a 1.5 kilometer sort of full circuit. And you start by walking through the canopy of the trees on this really cool walkway, and then you walk all along the water, and there's a waterfall down there which we can hear. So hopefully we get to see that, which is really cool. And yeah, let's get going. Come to the end of the walk, and it's not actually a waterfall that I heard, it's a creek. Right behind me here. It's so pretty, and the trees. 10 out of 10 recommend. This is a gorgeous walk. So we've just taken some photos and videos of the creek, and now we're heading back to the car to go to our final destination for this Mount Tamborine video. We're going to a place called Gallery Way Walk, which is so sweet. You're gonna love it. So let's go. So here we are on our final destination for our Mount Tamborine video. We're at Gallery Walk. So sweet. That's something that smells really amazing, and I think there's a fudge shop over here that smells so good. But it's just one street, and there are heaps of shops on either side. There's a little Christmas shop just behind me here, which is so sweet. So we'll take some videos, take some photos, and yeah, let's go. So as much as this place is famous for their fudge, it is so hot today, so I had to go for an ice cream. I have a mango sorbet and I have a banoffee gelato. So taste test. So fresh. Oh my goodness. I know which one I like better because I like both. Yeah. Gelato, that Mount Tamborine gallery walk, 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching today and coming along with me to Mount Tamborine. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I also hope you get a chance to come here yourself, because this is such an amazing part, not only of Queensland, but of the world. Don't forget to leave a comment below whether you want me to do an entire video to get to know me, or whether you want me just to throw in little fun facts about my next travel video. So leave a comment down below. Please, please subscribe. I'll be doing so many more of these travel videos, and I want to take as many of you along with me as possible. I can't wait to get lost with you in the next video. Bye.